Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insightful product analysis. Today, we're diving into the world of party essentials, specifically focusing on what might seem like a simple item, but plays a crucial role in keeping your gatherings organized and stylish: the plastic napkin holder. Now, let's talk about the Craftshou plastic napkin holder. This isn't just any ordinary napkin holder. It's the best plastic napkin holder for parties available in the market. Why? Well, let's break it down. First off, the package includes a whopping 36 pieces of these clear, fan-shaped napkin holders. That's abundance right there, perfect for decking out your entire party or sharing with friends. And hey, attention to detail matters. Craftshou reminds us to check the product size carefully before purchasing, ensuring it fits our needs perfectly. Now, onto the material. Crafted from durable plastic with exquisite workmanship, these holders are built to last. No flimsy construction here. They're sturdy, resistant to deformation or breakage, and can be reused countless times. That's sustainability and practicality rolled into one. Size matters, especially when it comes to table accessories. These holders sport an elegant fan shape, with dimensions of approximately 5.9 by 2.9 by 1.5 inches. This vertical design not only adds a touch of sophistication to your table setup but also allows for easy access to napkins whenever needed. Plus, they're not just for napkins, perfect for storing postcards, memos, envelopes, or any small items you need to keep organized. Practicality meets convenience with these napkin holders. Cleaning them is a breeze. Just rinse with water or wipe with a damp tissue, and you're good to go. Lightweight and easy to carry, they're not just functional but also make for great table decorations. Talk about multitasking. These napkin holders aren't just confined to the dining table. They're versatile enough to spruce up bedrooms, kitchens, living rooms, bars, cafes, you name it. Wherever you need a touch of organization and style, these holders have got you covered. And there you have it, folks, the Craftshou plastic napkin holder, the ultimate party essential that combines durability, style, and versatility. Don't settle for anything less when it comes to keeping your gatherings organized and elegant. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, your trusted source for all things product related. Until next time, happy hosting!